and we're going to combine all of that. Look at that, man. Look at that. I can't wait to indulge. I know that I'm repeating myself, but it is for emphasis. Look at that. So we're just going to allow this to cook down, you know, so that they can actually get a bit more body.
Get strong.
Good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Today, we will be making the delicious chicken foot soup. And as you can see in the pot, we're scalding the rawness from the chicken foot before we actually put in the actual soup pot. And as you can see, we have peeled several ground provision ahead of time. You can see the orange pumpkin, you can see the dasheen, you can see the sweet potato. Take the sweet potato, let them see, man. Yes, you can see the sweet potato, and you know, I'm gonna drop them piece by piece in the water, because whenever we're cooking chicken foot soup, or any soup for that matter, mother food is very important, and a lot of meat is very important. And we have about 2.5 pounds of chicken foot that we are scalding. And when we say scalding here in Jamaica, we're removing the rawness from the chicken feet, some people say, but most Jamaicans say chicken foot. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? And those small orange pieces, they are carrots. Can you see that? Carrots. So all of these things are very essential. And you must be wondering, always everything is going to go in one pot, you know. Just watch along and you will see. If you want, you can go and take that bathroom break, you know, that popcorn break. But definitely you will see. Stay tuned. See, put in some dumplings in the pot of soup. Do not touch that channel. If you're doing anything, you can just pause and return, because we're not finished as yet. Chicken foot soup, Jamaican style. I can't wait to start. Devour. Stay tuned. Thanks for coming back to 12 years gone. We're about to season this delicious soup. As you can see, this is some crushed pumpkin, and we are going to add it to the soup for 1, color, and 2, body. Oh my, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I cannot wait to indulge. So after that, we're going to actually add, or you will see, just continue watching. We're still actually adding pumpkin, crushed pumpkin. So we just add a little water, you know, because we don't want to waste nothing. We can't afford to waste anything. Can you see that color? That orange color? That is actually being combined right now. Yeah, and gonna add, you know, thyme. We're seasoning, and you can't leave out your country pepper, you know, and scallion. Across the world they call it green onion, and a few allspice.
Pimento.
And you know, we call it allspice here, you know. In the Caribbean, some people may call it pimento. And importantly, you must be wondering, but no problem in wondering, you know, we're gonna have that, the cock soup, you know, the Grace cock soup. and we're going to combine all of that. Look at that, man. Look at that. I can't wait to indulge. I know that I'm repeating myself, but it is for emphasis. Look at that. So we're just going to allow this to cook down, you know, so that they can actually get a bit more body, you know, and whatever we have actually inserted in this pot just now, for all the flavors to just combine, you know. As usual, you know, please like, share and subscribe, and importantly, go over our business page. There is something for each and every one of you. Skin care products. GE Carib LTglue.com. GE Carib LTglue.com. Give our business page a visit. I am certain you will not regret it. Thanks once again for watching, and enjoy the rest of your morning, your afternoon, your evening, and have a good night anywhere you're at in the world. One love from Jamaica and 12 years gone to you. Bye bye.